insult against the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is kufr. Yes, you've given a citation in your original video of Abu Yazid al-Bistami rahimahullah. You didn't quote the entire passage from the book. Which book did you quote from?
I quoted
from which book?
From the same book.
What's the name of the book? Did you read the Farsi?
No.
What did you read it from?
I had the Urdu translated.
Can you read Urdu?
No, I had it translated from.
Someone 1 minute.
I'm not going
someone
to
else translated for you. Someone else translated for you a book.
Look,
someone else translated for you a book. You said one person speak.
It is quite simple.
Someone else translated for you a book, and you accused the young man of kufr.
Quite simple.
Someone else.
Abu Yazid said, my flag will be bigger.
You based that on the translation. Give me the original. Give me the original.
Okay?
Give me the original.
He said it in his translation. But I'm not speaking to anybody but him now.
Oh, you've changed that principle. Why him? Because he's a young child. You're not picking on him.
Okay,
I'm asking you. Don't tell me what to do. Bring the chair here. No one's going to get up. You read from the original.
No, I'm not interested in reading from the original.
Why not?
I know what he said.
Read from the original.
I'm not interested in reading from the original.
He said you didn't quote the entire passage. You took a translation of a translation. You took a translation of a translation and went and launched a kufr on the young man. You're claiming that the young man, you're accusing him of kufr.
Yes.
You're accusing him of
kufr. You defended it.
He didn't defend it. He didn't defend it. He didn't.
I say, how are you accusing of kufr?
Just be silent.
You're accusing of kufr.
Don't tell him to be silent. Let him talk. You talk and he talk. Everyone else talk quiet. But don't tell him to go silent. You're accusing the man of kufr. I'm not saying that like you calm down. Don't tell him to go silent. Yeah, but don't tell him to go silent. Don't tell him to go silent. The thing is, you've clearly demonstrated that you don't understand. You clearly demonstrated that. You know what it is? You're not Mazra material maker. You can't even read the passage of this. Just to let everyone know that the man hasn't even quoted from the full book itself. He hasn't quoted from the full book. And Hassan is saying it's kufr. Is it kufr, Hassan?
Yeah, it's kufr.
Yeah, and it's wrongly ascribed to Abu Yazid al-Bistami. And when Abu Yazid al-Bistami said it, he himself said it's kufr. This guy just wants subscribers.
No, this guy is after a following. This guy is not interested in defending the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
You had my phone number. He had my phone number. He could have contacted me.
He is interested in defending
Really
his
showed
own
yourself up,
sect.
Noorud-deen.
I did not show myself up by defending the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam.